All right, welcome to day number 38 and day number 39, I think. So, yesterday I didn't take any trades because, well, I did take trades. I just didn't take it at the usual schedule. It was FOMC day and it was a pretty busy day. So, I just decided to wait for FOMC, go into the markets and take the trades after that. So if we go down here, down here, somewhere in there, I basically took two losses yesterday. So this wasn't one of them. The first one was, where is it? This one right here. So this was the FOMC candle. And then I was bullish on the every other time frame. We touched the weekly order block and then we sold off. I was expecting FOMC to take us here. Then we would be selling off and we would still be closing somewhere inside of this big gap. This is a 15-minute fair value gap as well, which held. And so when I see the 15-minute closing here, holding, I see this possible V reversal of the 15-minute fair value gap. I decided to wait for the break-in structure here, and I decided to wait even more for an order block. So I took this trade. My stop loss was here at the body of this candle, and my TP was at this candle high. So as you can see, I had this order block, this breaker, that aligned with this fair value gap right here, so I thought the stop would be safe. However, soon as I get filled, we technically break market structure on the 1 minute. So we broke this high right here, we run up all the way here, we sweep this block high, and then we close below it, making it short-term bearish. I wanted to exit, but I didn't because I thought this fair value gap aligned with this would hold eventually, and that's why my stop was there. And so if you take a look, I got stopped out, then price went into here, and then it sold off. Could I have had the stop a little bit lower? Yes, but then no risk to reward. Was this the best trade? I don't know. I think I still would have taken it, or probably not, because it was 7:20 and Powell was speaking in 10 minutes. So that's a note to take on FOMC days, to not trade between the news release and when he speaks. So then I waited and eventually market turned bearish. I see this order block right here, and this aligned with a 5-minute fair value gap, the beginning of it. And that's why I shorted this. Now, the stop was here and the TP was these lows. Usually I don't short this. So when we have these big moves down and then this, I usually don't short. So I broke the plan there. And just because I saw the fair value gap and, price was coming down, and these past few days, I'm not feeling, I feel like I'm not following the plan and I'm having a little bit of FOMO, which I think I fixed it today, so to say, because today I was much more patient on executing. But anyways, that's for a few minutes. I took this, which usually I wouldn't have taken it, but I saw the 5-minute and I just want to get in, make a little bit of profit, and got out, and I got stopped there. So this trade right here was minus 180, and then this one right here was minus 87, I think, which puts me down at minus 260 something plus fees, put me down at minus 270. So that put my account back at 50,280. And yeah, I was just really not happy with the performance. So fast forward to today, I took a winner. But first, initially, I wanted to take this setup. So we got the daily, we got this break, then we got the 12-hour order block touched, and then we have this nice reaction. I wanted to short this, but I didn't short it, and it would have been a short to here, to these lows. I didn't short it because the 5-minute was still bullish. So anything between this candle right here and over here is still bullish, and the 1-minute too. The 15-minute was technically still bullish. The 1 hour was technically still bullish as well. So I just decided to not take the trade. I would have made a profit. However, this would have been a win against my system. So it would have really not be a good thing. So I waited and I said, okay, that's fine. This line right here is a 1 hour for value gap, as you can see. And I said, okay, maybe we're, anything from here to here could be a lower high. And maybe we're just, touching the fair value gap, testing for us to move higher, which we ended up doing. The 15-minute was still bullish as well. So we touched that fair value gap on the 1 hour. And we still closed above this. So I'm taking closes here for structure. Still closed above this, and with this candle right here was like my full confirmation while I was in the trade of we're probably going to these targets right here. So going to the 5-minute, we got this inverted, we respected it, and then going into the 1-minute, you can see that I bought here on this order block because I was really confident since we broke this high and we respected this fair value gap. I did it some trade, something like this. Actually a little bit lower, I think. Yeah, something like that. No. I'm wrong, yeah. Something like this. I think it was 2.6, 2.7 risk to reward, where I entered with 4 contracts. And I had a line here, which is gone, I don't know why, which was the 12-hour wicks, which I completely missed. And I just decided while I was in the trade, I was looking to see if I was missing something. And I just, saw that I missed that line, put it there. Price was near that. And so I decided to take profits there. So I took 1 contract there, got a little bit slipped and lower. And then, as you can see here, my TP was here. And this candle opens up really fast up and then down. So I decided to close. And I ended up, again, getting a little bit of slippage and getting closed down here for the full trade. And that took me $480 US. So the account is now at 50,727. I was really patient again today. I waited for all of this price action to form, entered at like 3 p.m. and then just executed on my plan and boom. TP hit, patience. I didn't feel FOMO like I did the other days. I didn't deviate from the plan. I could have done this trade and that would have made me money, but I didn't, and that's what matters. So I hope you enjoyed. The reason I didn't record yesterday was it was because it was already too late and there was no point in uploading that. So today you got the 2 days. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow.